welcome you officially to my house, my production. Congratulations. Again. Hey, Uncle, like that, Yami.
Yeah, the original Lacha.
Yes, so this is my big sister. My big sister.
If and I am so happy.
Thank you, man.
Yaga zero.
Yes, so.
Ihe olu tira. Aga na nga serere. Asamu. Biko. Perfume na nime. Eku premier eku.
Thank you so much for coming.
In fact, I don't know what to say.
Say it.
I am short of words because right from, you see, I'm not had him, why am I saying this? Because right from the first time I met back home, it was nothing. But I never for one day underrated the guy because I know he had that talent. So when I now started seeing him manifest, I'm like, oh wow, I knew this guy would go places. And at the end of the day, his movies is what makes me to watch channel 159. I won't lie, because of all channels, I never go to the Igbo channel. Because why I don't go there is they churn out a lot of rubbish productions that I am so disappointed. But anytime I see that is Chief Imo, of course, his comedies are top notch. You will laugh, especially. I've been looking forward to meeting her. Because at a point, actually, let me confess today, I actually thought they were real husband and wife. Yes, I actually thought they were real husband and wife because of the way they act, the way they so much fit into each other. Until when I met Chiefimo at a party in Osina, the way he jumped at me, look at two of us jumped on each other as if we've known ourselves for like 100 years. And from there till now, we have been so close. It was there that I now asked him, I said, wait, where is your wife? Is it also? He said, no. Also? No. We just asked her, she's not my wife. I said, oh, really? I said, wow. The chemistry between both of you is so wonderful, so lovely that I thought both of you were husband and wife. But being as it may, thank God. Hold her tight. Don't let her go, because that is your work wife. It works well for the two of you. And I am so delighted. I am so happy today seeing her in real life. Oh my God. My joy knew no bound. And then look at me coming here today. Hey, full of gifts, money, present. Can you imagine? So that means you are telling me happy birthday, because my birthday was actually 1st of August. Yes. So when
I was abroad then.
Yes, when he told me he was talking to me from Senegal, I'm like, that is Senegal, and I'm gift. But you see, the guy disappointed me. He disappointed me in the sense that he's the one who wounded me with gifts and gifts and gifts. May the good Lord bless him. Amen. May God replenish him. Amen. May everything he touches turn to gold. Amen. May lines continue to fall for you, my brother, in pleasant places. Amen. Thank you for being a brother and a trustworthy person at that. Amen. Thank you for not letting fame to enter your head, because one thing is to be famous, another thing is to let the fame enter your head that you don't know who is your senior or not. I am so grateful knowing you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bless you too, my darling. Oh, you so. This is one of my best actors. Oh wow, she's so good at her job. She is so good. Bless you. Bless all of you. Bless the cast.
Too much to you.
These people will not kill me for my money, I beg. Ah, God, I beg. Oh, God. So,
This is Chiefimo's production.
It's a pleasure. Thank you all. May you all be fruitful in whatever you do. When you become a superstar, may God give you the grace to remain humble as you are. Don't let stardom enter your head. Because somebody like me now, if the day I saw him, when we met, if I wanted to behave like our fellow stars, I too, I would have put my shoulder up. But it's not in me. I believe in let us come together, stay together, and mingle. May the Lord bless all of us.
Amen.
Come on here.
Collect your money.